have a fun throwback recipe for you all today. So I'm going to be making chocolate spiders, which is great for a birthday party or a kid's party if you have that coming up. So for this recipe, what you're going to need is a 1/4 cup of the Happy Way cacao powder, about a teaspoon of the Happy Way vegan chocolate protein powder. I've got 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and just over 100 grams of fried noodles. So to make this recipe, what I'm going to do is add my peanut butter, my maple syrup, and my coconut oil into a saucepan over medium heat and just allow that to melt and become a nice creamy mixture. From then, what I'm going to do is add my fried noodles and my powders into a large bowl, mix that together, and then add in my liquid, mix it all together, and then I'm going to create little spiders by using 1 tablespoon amount of the mixture. I'm just going to push it together with my hands and then allow that to set on a baking tray that's been lined with baking paper in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. Now this recipe will last about 2 weeks in the fridge in an airtight container.